How to cool down overheating iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize and control your device. At first, turn on the airplane mode. Now, scroll down and tap on Battery. Here, scroll down to the very bottom and simply turn on the toggle for low power mode. After that, go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Inside the General menu, scroll down to find and tap on Background App Refresh. This feature allows apps to refresh content in the background. Make sure this feature is off if your phone is overheating. Following these steps, you can easily cool down overheating on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.